is a very short video on how to unzip your lesson files. And actually the zip and unzip process, it's to download the files is going to be different depending on the browser that you're using. If you notice right now I'm using Google Chrome, and what I would do is go to the syllabus, then go to your Unit 1 folder. And here you'll find let's see, organizing your files. That's what I want. And this is where you'll find the zip files. So all this gives you some instructions, but this is the video on how to do this. So if I click on the video or click on the zip files, see how they're downloading down here at the bottom. Firefox has a download screen up at the top. Google Chrome has does the download down at the bottom, and I just happen to like that. Microsoft Edge is a little bit different. They're all a little different, but they all download, and it's usually 2 downloads. This one's just giving you a progress of how it's downloading right now, and you just need to get used to your web browser. Now it's just about ready. Okay, my blue circle is there. I can open this folder and see where it says extract all. That's the tricky part. You need to make sure that you follow through with that. Now this process is going to be different on a Mac. So if you are using a Mac computer, you're going to need to know how you unzip your files. But here I would click on extract all, and then I just need to put it in the correct location. And let's see, I'm going to take out the folder that I have in here so you can see again. Oh, I can't. So what will happen is I would just come into my Questa class file. Here's a USB over here. I'll put it over here. Okay, so let's say this is my USB drive. All I have to do now is say select the folder, and it will extract it. And what I've done is I've organized all these folders by unit, and each unit has the files that you need for that particular chapter. So let's just give it a minute to extract. Okay, my download is complete. So what I need to do is to go to the correct folder now. Well, is this the correct folder? No. See, I'm still inside the zipped folder, and I'm still in my downloads. So I sent that to my USB drive. So if I go to my USB drive, I'll find the folder that has the units in it. And if you look at these units, they're all separated by each unit that we have to work with. Now, if you look at, let's take for instance, I'm going to expand these, and that's why I'm using the 2-side screen. I want to make sure the units are in there. And see how these are units, these expand. Now I have these all set up for you, but Unit 3, these are the Word student files that you need for Unit 3. And that gives you a strong indication what you're getting yourself into, what direction you're going to be going with these assignments. Each one has its own group of assignments that come with it. Now the assignment for this for Unit 1 is to grab a screenshot of this. Now to do that, you probably don't have that sophisticated program that I do, so you're probably going to have to use your zipping tool, and I would just go to zipping maybe, or what is it called? Yeah, it's called. Okay, to complete the assignment, what you need is the snipping tool. And if you come to your search option and just type snip, there it is. And what I want to snip of is all these folders that are open along with whatever's inside there. So I know that you've got it. So here we go. And that's all I need. Maybe from here to here is enough. And edit, copy, come over to your Word document. Let's get a blank Word document in here. File, new, put your name in. That's the name I gave you to use, and paste. And I did that with a Control V, but you can do it up here by using the paste button as well. So then you go to File, Save As, and come back to your USB drive under your units and put it in Unit 1. And that would be that one. I don't know if that one's an example or what, but I don't want to overwrite it. So I'm going to put in a 1 here. Okay, so that's the one that I'm going to use for this particular activity, and it just shows what I've done. And that's what I'm looking for. So go ahead and that's what you want to, that's how you want to do this assignment. And then you just need to upload it to Moodle or not Moodle, I'm sorry, Canvas. And where is it? Canvas, right there. So I would be here, submit the assignment, choose the file, find the file that I just did, which is on my E drive. Document, no, it's on my USB drive, E, here, there, and it's the one with the 1 after it. And go. All right, then submit the assignment. And now it's ready for grading. If you're not familiar with Canvas, it shows you over here what you submitted. Okay, so just be careful on that part of it. So that's it. Have a nice day.